कई बार हमें ये
we in office also senior can say like that. Now before leaving, no, at any cost you have to submit the report before leaving.
yes and you are
Sometime
supposed to, ये बहुत अच्छा साउंड
sometime
करता
we
है
got
इन सिचुएशंस में आप supposed to का यूज कर सकते हैं. You are supposed to inform me, you are supposed to submit your report on time, you are supposed to मतलब आपसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि आपको ऐसा करिए, आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि आप ऐसा करो. So you are supposed to reach on time. Okay, you are not supposed to be late. जैसे एक दिन आप लेट हो गए ना तो बहुत ही एक तरह से कहते हैं ना बहुत इज्जत से बेइज्जती करना. तो इस तरीके से अगर आप किसी को, मुझे यही चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है सच में, मुझे बिजनेस इंग्लिश की ये लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि आप किसी को बहुत बुरा भी बोल रहे हो, बहुत सोफिस्टिकेटेड तरीके से किसी को ह्यूमिलिएट करना. और कुछ एक पार्ट्स
you're not supposed to late.
बहुत 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 अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे ये. So okay,
you're not supposed to miss my class.
Yeah, so you're not
informing.
supposed to leave your class without informing me. तो ऐसा होता है ना कई बार, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है जब भी बिना इन्फॉर्म किया से क्लास में अचानक से सब गायब हो जाते हैं. न्यू स्टूडेंट अक्सर ऐसा करते हैं तो मुझे उनको सेंड करना होता है. यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू लीव द क्लास इन बिटवीन विदाउट इन्फॉर्मिंग.
And you know sometimes it happens like that. If we are busy with my work and all, sometimes I forget like okay I had class like today also I had class at this time. So that in last week that was happened to me when you called me at 4:30. Then I recall like okay I had class.
Actually these rules are for your betterment. कि जैसे आपका सेशन कैंसिल हो गया ना तो आपका सेशन मैंने किसी के साथ ऐड कर दिया. जैसे किसी का सेशन है उन्होंने मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर दिया. कल भी मैंने उनसे बोला था कि आपने इन्फॉर्म पहले नहीं किया और बहुत बाद में किया, तो उन्होंने इन्फॉर्म किया तभी तो मैंने आपका सेशन ऐड किया ना. तो दिस वे वी बोथ कैन यूटिलाइज अवर टाइम बीइंग हियर, राइट. वरना पूरा 1 आवर मुझे लगेगा मैं क्या करूँ. वैसे काम मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं लेकिन आप लोगों को बेनिफिट नहीं हो पाएगा उसमें ना.
That's true.
Yes. Okay.
And no one can do these kind of like things like that. Okay, if your class got cancelled, so you will give your class to someone. Okay, who is
मुझे
in your
अच्छा
list.
लगता है because my you can say because my motive is to make you learn, to make you confident. It is not for earning all the time. I'm not so much practical about earning money. So it is okay, and that money gives me confidence and motivation. That's also true. But I'm not too much focused on money earning only. I'm not too much practical one. Okay.
Don't be money minded in this age of life, because this is your age where you can learn things. Okay, and
Yes.
you can do something better. And if you have good knowledge, obviously money will come to you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. At last you will get lots of money and you don't have time how to spend those money.
Okay, and
You will find out.
one more thing I'm expecting from you and even from all my learners, like by the view of viewers, I want to know कि viewers के view से कैसा मेरा channel है, what are the things which I should add, what I'm supposed to add in that, then it will be interesting. Few of the ideas I already have, but why I'm not getting too much likes as I'm expecting? Instead of
Well, you should have some platform, like people know that you have uploaded that video. You should have some followers. Like maybe you have uploaded good thing, you have uploaded good like content and all, but that will not reach to the people, na. So if this is my responsibility, this is your
first thing it will
other
take
students.
time actually, and first thing it will take time. Actually, I started my channel in 2022, but now I have become active since February. So February and March it was running quite well.
Yeah, and every like week or every 2-3 days, alternate days, you have to upload anything over there. Either anything you should have. That
Almost
shows like
daily
your
I've
channel
been
is quite.
uploading. Almost daily I've been uploading, but the best thing which I need to do, I think, I don't want to purchase actually my subscribers and all. All my subscribers are my learners actually. They are following and they had been asking so long to make the channel where they could have their practice, because they already had practice with me and now they have forgotten all the time, all the things and stuff. That's why they had been asking me to add, so that they could revise their stuffs.
And also you tell your all the subscribers or like whosoever watching your like YouTube channel, please share the channel on Instagram, anywhere like that, so that if somebody like they can upload in their stories. Okay.
Actually, have you ever subscribed any channel on the basis of someone? Like he's saying to, then you subscribed. Have you ever subscribed on the basis of someone?
Yeah, it happens. It happens like that, like in the way that like whenever I'm watching something, okay, and I feel like okay, this is quite interesting and this is quite helpful for me.
Yeah, then you will subscribe. But on the basis of others, you cannot.
And no. Then also he's saying like okay, please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, if you feel like this is helpful for you. So I feel like okay, this is my like what call it like moral duties to subscribe this channel.
What I'm expecting, I want to take the like only on those videos which are really so informative and helpful to you, so that I could decide which one was helpful, so I could make more videos on this kind of contents. That's why I'm expecting likes, so that I could decide which kind of things you need, because I have lots of stuff. मेरे पास सारा बहुत stuff है और सारा informative है और unskippable है. मतलब आप उसे avoid नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको ये नहीं लगेगा ये extra है मैं कभी use नहीं करूँगा. आप उसको daily use करोगे जो भी है. जैसे ये
बिल्कुल.
For example, जैसे अभी हम ये situation कर रहे हैं, हम daily use करते हैं, right?
Yeah, and very rare I got time to like watch videos and all. But whenever I will watch your videos, na, I'll always do like my likes if I like that video and all. So
हाँ
you will find out like
मुझे
okay,
फेक
yeah, I
वाला
got
लाइक
more
नहीं
like.
चाहिए, बट पता है मुझे ना फेक वाला लाइक नहीं चाहिए। मैं चाह रही हूँ सचमुच में अच्छा लगे तो कोई लाइक करेगा, इसलिए मैंने कभी कहा नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कहने से या मांगने से कुछ नहीं मिलता। इफ यू लाइक समवन देन यू विल लाइक, सो डेलिबरेटली
This is
एंड फोर्सफुली आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग रियली।
but this is 21st century. You have to speak. You have to like मांगने से ही मिलेगा यहाँ पे like
That's
that.
why my friends sometimes they tease me like you are really so different. Okay, maybe.
So you should not be emotional in that way.
No, I'm not emotional and I'm not feeling negative. And you know, this is also my very good point, I would say. मुझे कोई कितना भी demotivate करे, मैं demotivate कभी नहीं हो सकती हूँ because I'm self-motivated. Okay.
That is very good. That is very good thing.
Yeah.
And you should like that when we are studying in class 10, 12 and all. Like, but once we are 30s, 31, when we work for 3, 4, 5 years, then we realize the reality. Okay, so I want to be that, but I am not. Right now, I'm in this platform only. At the age of 30, I'm this. Like nowadays, you know, in the age of 25 or 26, people become MP, 26, 27, people become MP, MLAs and all. Okay, but we haven't that much capacity to speak in like public place and all. So that is also important, because you know, if you don't have anything, na, if you don't know anything, but if you have that ability to speak in front of the public, na, you will rule the world. I have seen these things from last 10 years. I've seen these things. This is happening. Whosoever have the ability to speak in front of anyone, he can rule the world.
Right.
I have seen lots of intelligent
Actually,
people.
it depends. It's up to you. Means what you exactly want to focus on. Because if you're not interested, then you can't. There are different fields, but we can. Nothing is impossible in this world. That's really true. But it should be, means we should be passionate about that thing. Then we can.
But you know, if you want to change anything, if you want to do anything for the betterment of society, anything like that, so you have power. You should have power. Then only you can do. Without power, you can't do anything. And power only you will get by the followers. If you have lots of followers on YouTube and anything, just like Elvis Yadav, you are seeing Elvis Yadav. Why he is powerful? Because he has lots of followers. That's why he is powerful now.
I think I need to be a bit fake.
Fan of him. What he is doing? He has followers. Na? He speaks different things, different kind of things. He uploads the videos and all.
Yes,
like once you will get that kind of followers, na, you don't need any kind of request.
But
and all.
actually, means I'm not going to judge someone, but there are lots of people for the popularity only. They are doing a lot of things actually. Not so good, that is. It is not cheap one, but that is. What is the name of that? Okay, that girl is so irritating, I must say. No, so for popularity, I don't want to do anything. Okay.
That girl who like what upload the memes and all.
She's so funny actually, and sometimes she does which is really you can never expect to her. Like she's a teacher at least, so she shouldn't have be like this. Okay. So where were we? Before you stop talking to me, stop. जिससे पहले कि आप मुझसे बात करना बंद कर दो. Before you stop talking with me, let me explain the reason. मुझे अपनी बात बताने दो. इस तरीके से हम बोलते हैं. Before you stop talking.
Before you stop talking.
Stop लगा है ना, इसलिए हम ing लगा रहे हैं. Before you stop talking.
Before you stop talking. Okay.
अच्छा, हमने before और stop दोनों को साथ में यूज किया. Did you notice? हमने stop के साथ ing लगाना, before के साथ में भी लगाना, लेकिन हमने before के बाद you को ऐड किया ना, तब हम ing नहीं ऐड कर रहे stop में, क्योंकि कितना ऑड साउंड करेगा बिफोर यू स्टॉपिंग, है ना. तो बिफोर यू स्टॉप टॉकिंग, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द रीजन. इससे पहले कि आप ऐसा कर दो, इससे पहले कि आपको डांट पड़ जाए, आप अपना काम खत्म कर लो. इससे पहले कि वो यहाँ आ जाए, आप अपना काम फिनिश कर लो. बिफोर ही कम्स हियर, इससे पहले कि वो आ जाए. बिफोर हिज कमिंग भी कह सकते हैं. बिफोर हिज कमिंग, बिफोर हर कमिंग. ओके, बिफोर हर कमिंग और बिफोर ही कम्स हियर, प्लीज फिनिश योर वर्क, रैप अप योर वर्क. Okay, before going anywhere, please inform me. Before you blame someone, you need to check on yourself. You need to check yourself once. Okay, so I hope it is clear ना. Before के बाद ing add करना है.
Right.
Ever since I convinced him, he stopped making mistakes. जब से मैंने उसे समझाया ना, उसने बंद कर दिया mistake करना. Ever since he told me about this thing, I have been thinking about it. I have been thinking. तब से मैं सोच रही हूँ उसके बारे में.
Okay.
So this was what our condition 4, and now this is condition 5. After plus ing. After leaving him, I missed him. After leaving him, उसको छोड़ने के बाद में मैंने उसे बहुत मिस किया. I missed him so much. After he left, अच्छा उसने ये कंपनी छोड़ी, उसके बाद मैंने बहुत मिस किया. After he left this company.
And after he died also, we can say na. We missed him.
Don't talk about died. Okay, after leaving, will you miss me? After you leave, will you miss me? Yeah. So after leaving, he always कॉल मी,
कॉल्स
कॉल्स में
कॉल्स
नहीं
मी
होगा, हाँ कॉल्स होगा ना, हाँ ही ऑलवेज कॉल्स मी, मुझे हमेशा कॉल करता है उसने, मतलब ये प्रेजेंट का सिचुएशन है तो कॉल्स आएगा। सो आफ्टर लीविंग, उसने ये जॉब छोड़ने के बाद, ये जॉब छोड़ने के बाद ना वो मुझे अक्सर मिस करता है, हमेशा मिस करता है, ही ऑलवेज मिसेज मी और कॉल्स मी। आफ्टर ही लीव्स, लीव्स बोल सकते हैं, आफ्टर लीविंग बोल सकते हैं, ही ऑलवेज कॉल्स मी।
ओके
आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर होमवर्क विल यू हेल्प मी, आफ्टर यू
ओके
फिनिश, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा अच्छा साउंड करेगा अगर हम बोले आफ्टर यू फिनिश योर वर्क विल यू हेल्प मी, या विल यू हेल्प मी आफ्टर यू फिनिश योर वर्क, या वंस ऐड कर सकते हैं आफ्टर की बजाय। सो विल यू हेल्प मी वंस यू कंप्लीट योर वर्क, वंस बहुत अच्छा जाता है, मतलब एक बार अगर आप कर लेते हो ना कंप्लीट तो फिर मेरी हेल्प करोगे, वंस यू कंप्लीट योर वर्क विल यू हेल्प मी, विल यू कम टू हेल्प मी, इस तरह से हम बोल सकते हैं।